My friend Daniel bought his dream apartment on a Sunday afternoon. He signed because the first month payment fit his budget perfectly. 3 years later, that same payment nearly tripled, and nobody had ever explained why. He didn't buy a bad home. He just never asked the 3 questions that separate a smart buyer from a stressed one. Buying your first place feels like the finish line, but the price tag on the wall is the least important number in the whole deal. Question 1. Can your monthly payment actually breathe? Don't ask what you can borrow. Ask what you can live with after groceries, transport, and a bad month still exist. A simple rule the banks won't shout about: try to keep your housing payment under about a third of your take-home income. Across that line, and every surprise becomes an emergency. Leave room for 3 things that protect you: everyday living costs, real savings, and an emergency fund. A home should upgrade your life, not quietly hostage it. Question 2. Understand how the payment actually moves over time. That first low number is often a promotional rate, not your real cost. Picture a staircase. Years 1 to 3, the rate might start near 2.75%. Then it steps up and up again, sometimes past 10% later on. And here's the extra detail almost nobody checks. The final years are usually floating, tied to the market. That means your payment can rise even after you've done everything right. So before you sign, ask the seller for the full payment schedule across all 30 years, not just year 1. If they can't show it, that silence is your answer. Question 3. Make sure the home is actually clean legally. A beautiful unit means nothing if the paperwork is a maze. Check 3 things: the land and building certificates, whether the unit is truly ready to occupy, and who the developer really is behind the glossy brochure. Daniel's regret wasn't the interest rate itself. It was signing before he ever asked. A curated, verified project from a trusted developer removes half those nightmares before they start. So run the numbers, read the staircase, and confirm the legality. Do those 3, and buying your first home in this era genuinely can be the easy part. If this saved you from one bad signature, hit subscribe because your next video breaks down exactly how to read a full mortgage schedule line by line. Know a friend about to buy? Send this before they sign.